Hello class, we're doing Blue P2.7. Okay, let's begin. It asks that we solve the equation algebraically and graphically. Okay, here we see using our graph that the two lines meet at 4, 4. Okay, so if that be the case, then we should be able to put in these values to determine that these two equations are correct. The variable missing is an x, the variable missing is x. So if we plug a 4 in, because that's where x is, a 4, and a 4 here, then these two sides should balance. So let's see. 1/2 times 4 plus 2, okay? So 1/2 of 4 is 2 plus 2, which gives us a 4. That's the value to our y. Let's try this equation. 7, 8 times 4 plus 1/2, okay? We're going to cancel. Make this 2, make this 1. So now we have 7 halves plus 1/2 equals 8 halves, which is 4. Okay? 7 halves plus 1/2 equals 8 halves equals 4, because 8 divided by 2. So our equation is correct. 4, 4 is the solution for these two equations. Okay? Let's look at number 4. Using a graph to solve the equation, check your solution. So here, if we graph the first one, then we start at +1, and our slope is -1/1. So if we fall, run, fall, run, fall, run, okay? We can rise 1, rise 1. Okay, in this case, let's connect our dots. Okay, in this case, our y-intercept is 0, -1/2. So 0, -1/2 starts here, okay? And then our slope is 1/4 negative. So let's rise a whole, which will be halfway here, and run 4. Okay, so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if we're here, if we fall a whole number, which would be halfway here, and run 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's connect our dots. All right, and so therefore we see that they connect where they met, okay? So let's see, where is this location? If we start here, it's 1, 2, 2 for x, and we drop 1, it's -1 for y. So let's plug in the value for 2, for x, okay? So if x is -2 plus 1 for the first one here, then our answer is -1. So far correct. Let's plug in for our next one. -1/4, 2 minus 1/2. This right here would be a -1/2 minus a -1/2 should give us a -1. Okay? So therefore this solution 2, -1 is the solution for this equation. Okay? That's all. See you in the morning.